What's going on, guys? It's Max Van over at Sportbike Track here, and today I'm coming at you with the all-new Alpinestars SuperTech R7 ride review. All right, so the folks over at Alpinestars invited Clark and I out to test out this super badass helmet, and all I gotta really say is wow. And I'm saying wow because I rode in the SR10 and the SR7 side by side, and I'm not gonna lie, after 15 minutes of wearing the SR10, I came in and I grabbed the SR7 just because today I wasn't riding super aggressive. I wasn't trying to push for a fast lap time. I'm riding street bikes, and I felt like the ergonomics of this helmet at the pace I was going, it was stable. The helmet was insanely quiet. That's one thing that I haven't really experienced before because I'm just I'm a road racer, man. I wear loud helmets that are really good at a high rate of speed. This vent here, Clark, if you want to zoom in on that, it is unbelievable. Of course, I've ridden in helmets that have vented well, but the air needs to flow. And on the exit of the helmet here, you can see the large vents, and it flows through the top of the head perfectly. And another thing is, of course, you can see here, sorry, a little shaky, the shield is the exact same as the SR10. So when it's talking about field of vision and also peripheral point of view, it's the exact same. So you're not going to lose any of that or sacrifice anything by spending a couple $100 less. And then if you want to take a look here at the Alpinestars AConnect, I'm not going to get into that right now because that is a whole different story, but this is a intercom system that is completely built into the helmet. Of course, it doesn't come with it. It is sold separately. That should come out sometime in April. But overall, like I'm completely blown away. I've yet to ride in a helmet that I felt like I could wear all day. And I rode today for at least, honestly, 5 hours. Unbelievable. Started at 9:30 in the morning. We took lunch at noon. Got back on track at about 1:30. And I rode all afternoon. No headache. Nothing, no squeeze in the temples. Everything was absolutely perfect. So yeah, those are my thoughts. And again, for those guys out there that, think they need the highest performing helmet, such as the SR10, I just go to show, a pro road racer, I went for the SR7 and I had a blast and I had an awesome time. So again, you street riders out there, I'm going to say right now, this is probably the lid to buy. I am completely blown away. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I know this video is short and sweet, but I just wanted to give you my little point of view. So have a good one, guys. We'll catch you in the next one.